Today we are going to draw a cute little bee together. Now let's draw with me. Hi my little artists. Before we begin, please click the big red subscribe button to join our little fun art family. And don't forget to like this video. And let's start. Let's draw the body. First, draw a big oval shape. This will be the bee's body. Now draw the dark eye area. Draw a big curved shape around the eyes. Now let's draw the eyes. Now draw two big circles on the upper part of the body. These will be the bee's eyes. Draw the eye shine. Inside each eye, draw small circles. These are the shiny lights in the eyes. Draw the body stripes. Next, draw curved lines across the body. These lines make the bee's stripes. Draw the antennae. On top of the head, draw two long curved lines. Add small black circles at the ends. These are the bee's antennae. Now draw the wings. Now draw the wings on both sides of the body. Each side has two small rounded wings. Draw the legs. At the bottom of the body, draw four small oval shapes. These are the bee's little legs. Coloring time. Now let's color our cute bee. Color the body yellow. Color the face area black. Color the stripes black. And color the legs black. Color the wings light blue. And now we have a cute little bee. If you like this drawing, don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun and easy drawings.
See you in the next videos. I'm Little Pencil. Goodbye.